Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making today is a delicious batch of no-bake pineapple balls. Now this recipe today is a viewer's request. In fact, I had many messages saying, can we have some more pineapple recipes? And lots of them. So this one today, of course, is a no-bake pineapple balls. And they're great if you're expecting company and you want to whip something up really quick. We used to have these mostly at Christmas time or special occasions. But today is special for us. We're going to make these. If you're interested, stick around and let's get started. So this is it. This is all is to this recipe. We got confectionery sugar, half a cup. We got about a cup of chopped up pineapples, and then we got 1 cup of butter. You could use margarine. We got a cup of graham crumbs and 2 cups of unsweetened coconut. So we're going to put the butter in the bowl first. And we're going to toss in the half a cup of confectionery sugar. Now we're just going to work this together. So have your butter at room temperature so it's easier to get everything blended together. After you've put the confectionery sugar and your butter or margarine, whatever you got available to use, just mixing it together like that. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take this off of my utensil and then add in the coconut. So we got 2 cups of unsweetened coconut. Of course, I love coconut, sweetened or not. Add it into your butter and confectionery sugar mixture and just get it all blended together like this. So that's all you need to do there. That's pretty quick, simple, easy breezy. So what we're going to do now, we're going to roll this mixture into balls. This pineapple cubes, I just bought a can of pineapples and cut it in half again, those chunks of pineapples, because you only want just a small piece. That's going to be in the middle of the pineapple ball. So I'm going to show you that, and then after you've created that, made that nice pineapple ball, then we roll it into the graham cracker crumbs. So I'm going to show you that. So this is what it looks like after you finish mixing that together. I'll remove my bowl so they're not clanking. So all you need to do is take about a tablespoonful or 2 of this mixture. You could use gloves if you want to do that, or you could just have your nice clean hands, and then make a little hole in the middle. Take a piece of the pineapple, put in the middle. You can have it as big or as small as you want, those pineapple balls. I'm going to take a little bit off there and just roll them like this, and then toss them into this graham cracker crumbs, and this is it. This is what you got, a delicious no-bake pineapple ball. Now I'm saying a tablespoonful or 2, but that's entirely up to you. You can go a teaspoonful, just as long as the piece of pineapple that you're taking, you're putting it into the middle and you're folding it over and making a ball like this. It's easy breezy. Look how nice that is. And after you've done that, just toss them all in to the bowl, and you can roll them the same time into that graham cracker crumbs. So that's it. That's as good as it gets. And they're delicious. So I love making these if I'm expecting company. And of course, we all know that we don't have much company now, but when I did expect company, I would make these and have a nice pot of tea. And like you said, you can have tea with these. They're delicate, they're nice and fancy and easy to make with a few finger sandwiches. How delicious would that be? So that's it. I think I'm going to pour myself up a cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed this very simple recipe today of pineapple balls. So for the viewers that requested anything pineapple, this is it. This is another delicious way that you could just make a simple little dessert. I'm going to leave the recipe under this link here on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed, that's there as well. Just hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you will get your notifications each time we post a new video. I'm going to have a little taste now of this pineapple ball. I'm going to show you on the inside. You got this delicious pineapple just right in the center. So good. And just look at this delicious little pineapple just snuck right in the middle of this little pineapple ball. So delicious. And I like serving these as well with some extra fresh pineapples cut up on the side and a little stick to use to take them up with. You can also get this recipe on our website, www.bonitaskitchen.com. You can visit us on our Facebook page or here on YouTube. And if you got any extra questions and you'd like to send me an email, send it to bonitakitchen@gmail.com. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you today for joining us on behalf of me and Raymond. We don't want to take any more of your time. We know it's precious. We hope you get to make these and enjoy them as well. But send us a message. Let us know what you think. So from our kitchen to yours, stay safe and have a wonderful day. So good. And don't forget to join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours, Bonita's Kitchen.